For Tenson airdrop, you receive this notification over and over. Just hold on. Congrats, you have so dollars in your account that is pending withdrawal, and you need to confirm this. Then you receive a notification to send in your Solana address. Once you send in your Solana address, they will send you another congratulation message that you have been approved, and you should sign a particular contract where you'll be asked to make a payment of $5 to some listed account. The moment you make this transaction, that is the same moment you lose access to your fund and you're unable to withdraw this particular promised value from this airdrop. So this is another airdrop that is scam. I'll cover some of this airdrop in this video so that you get aware of them and you don't waste your time or your money on this airdrop. They are just time wasters and scam platform that are out there to reap of your hard-earned money. So just be careful. Zest is another airdrop. Yescoin is another airdrop that is out there to scam people money. Initially, when this particular airdrop started, they give you reasonable value of USDT or Zest value. But when you get to the withdrawal stage, after you've confirmed your withdrawal and this coin has been sent to your trust wallet or whatever wallet you have used for withdrawal, the next thing is they will ask you to convert that Zest coin because it has no actual value in market and cannot be traded. They ask you to convert this Zest coin to BNB, and you'll be asked to pay a gas fee of, I think, $12 to $13. And the moment you make this payment, your Zest coin value drop from whatever value it is down to zero, and you lose both your gas fee and at the same time the accumulated Zest coin value. For example, recently Trust Wallets flagged them as scam on their platform, and each time you visit their conversion platform or their conversion link on Binance, it will tell you that this link is has security issues, something like that, that you should be aware. Only visit at your own risk, which means that people has reported this particular airdrop, and I created a video about this, that this airdrop cannot be trusted. So if you are mining Zest coin out there, I can tell you that you're wasting your time, or you're about to lose your money to this airdrop that will promise to give you so amount of dollars and you won't get anything for it. So this makes the second. So I'm going to make another one just to show you list of those airdrops that are just out there to scam people of their hard-earned money. I don't know if you are still mining Polymoon. If you are still mining Polymoon, you are just wasting your time. I don't really want to make this video unnecessarily long. I will have just head up to my Trust wallet. But I don't think there's anything bad in that. So let me just show you a proof from my Trust wallet. You'll see that this airdrop is just out there to waste your time. After you've accumulated enough Polymoon coin, at the end of the day, you won't be able to withdraw. You can see the value of Polymoon that I have here. You can see this is the Polymoon. It has been linked. But by the time you get to the, what's it called? The exchange page where you are supposed to exchange this to another coin, which is of value. In fact, their link is no more on, what's it called? On Trust Wallet. This used to be their link. You can see this address is unsafe as it is identified by hash date. So this is the link to actually exchange this Polymoon airdrop to Binance, to USDT, and you can see that this has been flagged as at risk. The bottom down here says stop and go back. This is a warning, and you can see this proceed is in red, which means that you are proceeding at your own risk. So this is another airdrop out there that you need to stop mining if you are wasting your time on this, and focus on profitable airdrop, which will be listed in the video description below. So I'll show you another one which will make probably the last for this particular videos. So I don't know if you realize that even the Tapswap that is ongoing, there is a scam version of it, as well as Yescoin, as well as Hamster Combat. They are scam version of it. So how do you know if you are even mining the right one? That is why I always drop the link to my Telegram channel, so that you can always share with me whatever issues you are facing with your airdrop. So by the time you're able to share your screen with me, I'll be able to see if you're actually wasting your time on the wrong airdrop or you're on the right track. Alright, so let me look for the other airdrop to show you before I end this video on this note. Unfortunately, you can see I have ended our conversation with this airdrop and actually deleted our chat history with it. This airdrop we promised to give you, I think it started with 10,000 every minute. Later it moves to, I can't really remember, but let me just start it for the sake of showing you how this is. Okay, if I click on permalog reward, I get 1000 naira, which is Nigerian currency. And when I click on login reward, I get 8600, which is untrue. You can't get this amount. By the time, that means if I log in for 10 days, I'll be having 86,000 naira, which is equivalent to about, I don't know, if I'm to convert that to dollar, let me punch my calculator with the current price rate in Nigeria. So if I'm having 86,000 naira and I'm dividing by 1680, so which means that I'll be having $51 in 8 days. All right, so that's too unreal. All right, so for each time, every minute when I come here and I click on permalog reward, I also, you can see it says in 7 seconds time. Okay, let's just chill and wait for 7 seconds time. In 7 seconds time, if I click on this permalog reward, I still get back, I think, 1000 naira. You can see again. So if I'm able to do this 3 hours, 4 hours, 20 hours a day, imagine how much I will have accumulated. At the end of the day, by the time you are to withdraw from this airdrop, they will ask you to send a particular amount to a particular Nigerian bank account to confirm that you are not a robot but human. But the moment you send this money, you are being blocked on the platform and you lose all your fund, or they tell you that you did not qualify for the particular airdrop. So this airdrop also is a time waster, and it is put out by some guys to just scam people of their hard-earned money. So if you are mining this particular airdrop, I've seen someone who said, I have earned a lot in permalog, but I can tell you are wasting your time. I've been there, and the moment I sense their strategy, I'll put out a video out there to warn you guys to stop from mining this airdrop. They are just there to waste your time. Alright, so if you like this video and you really enjoy it and you find it helpful, I will appreciate you like this video, and you follow my channel if you are yet to follow my channel. Share this video with as much as many people as you can. Share with your loved ones. Share with people out there that you have referred that they might be mining the wrong airdrop. Share with people that you want to actually save from online scammers. Share with people that you don't want them to lose their funds. All right, thank you very much. I really appreciate it today. Have a wonderful day.